The door.
The door. Oh, the door. Oh, open the door.
Kato.
The door is locked.
Susi.
Peggy ka. Hoy, sinalo. Ay, ang galing. Parang silent movie.
Sapol, ikaw muna. Wall. Susi. Okay.
Wall. What?
Ay,
Kailangan pang tayo pa. Ang hirap. Lower body lang gumagalaw.
okay.
Anong dapat tandaan pag
The door. The door.
Door. Go the door. Ready.
Camille, go forward ka, Camille. Forward ka. And go. Oh, oh, yun na. Pasok. O, bukas. Bukas. Dumating na, sino dumating? Sino dumating? Sino dumating?
Sino dumating daw na binuksan yung door? Hindi ko ano. Wala. Oh, thank you so much. Ang galing.
With the music.
Oh, with the music.
With the music lahat.
With the music.
Go. Go. Okay, one. Oh. Galing, oh, tita, oh. Oh.
Camille naman.
Go, Camille. Susi, go. Major. Susi, go. Susi, go. And. Ay, no, to. Ay, magaling. I love it. Go.
Ang body ko, but sinira, hindi ko nga lang susi. So much. Thank you then, Marshberry Bending. Thank you then, I had so much fun. Enjoy the This is not the last round. Ito na ba meron music pa sa Lamatan?
Yes, abangan niyo po ang pelikulang Captured ni Brillante Mendoza. September 3 na to ang winner night namin sa Window 2 Cinema 3. Pero of course, thank you sa mga tumangkilik ng Ritual movie sa Cinemalaya. Pinalabas kayo ito, very successful. At syempre, Art and Beauty 2, NCA with Vico Byrne Institute, sa Difference Gallery on August 22.
Kayo ba meron ba kayo ipopromote? Saan ba yung mga gigs ninyo? Yan.
Well, share po, makakot po, share po kayo ng
Seaside.
Okay.
May Ferris wheel. Okay, ayan. Thank you guys. Thank you din sa AOC for our LED TVs. Ako, I would like to thank Adiab Dash Shoes, Apartment 8 Clothing, Face and Curves, Goats Gym, Lay Bear Walking Salon TVs, and Cozy Nail Touch. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
The door! May bulaklak. Magpipin. Oh. Nananahe.